Mick has just completed his course of studying. It has been a long way full of challenges and difficulties, success and sometimes failures. But the day has come. It's a nice day for him. He can now continue his self-realization. He decided to organize a kind of a party to celebrate this step of his life. He invited some of his best friends to be with him on such a wonderful day. They were with him during the study and know all about this hard time. The party is going to take place at his home, of course. Mick ordered some pizza and bus.